Hello everyone, Gemini and Libra, welcome to my channel. As Shell Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Hopefully that you all are doing well, stay safe, stay guarded. Okay, so this is going to be though for 10th and 11th of September 2020, but these are timeless, okay? So whenever is your time, it will resonate with you. General universal readings. Follow me on Instagram by SASHELLS Shells Running. Okay, I do have Facebook page as well, Shell Speaks Messages. Till date I have to do the editing and all, but it doesn't matter though because I am here in front of you and you all know me. If you're new, welcome. Okay, there are some issues. Okay, just give me a second, just a second. I'm just a little bit purifying. I love this cinnamon stick fragrance little bit. I don't like it in consumption, but yeah, it's good. Okay, so these are intuitive to influence soulmates connections and may or may not go for everyone out there. So what I was saying, yeah, someone is having issues over here. Someone is saying that. So I kind of get the message that someone is saying, who, you or the other person is saying, I have issues. So what kind of issues? Okay, someone is having some issues with you, may at work or may in relationship or may in any sort of condition you are in or situation you are in. So I feel like when they have issues, basically they are going to be letting it out. I'm also hearing overlaying. It means that someone is covering something up with the overlay. Covering up, maybe it's a cover up for someone, so maybe reasons are being given. Maybe someone is covering up, giving you some kind of thought that this happened because of this. So it's about answers. It's about explanations. Yes, that's what the word is. I'm sorry for that. That's what the word is. Explanation. Someone is trying to give you the explanation and you are just hearing it out, or maybe you are giving it to the other person and they're hearing it out. However it goes, take it, otherwise let it go. But I'm hearing that someone is having issues over here. Someone is overlaying what they're trying to overlay. We are going to use this witch's deck here. I'll show you more clear. Oh my god, there's so many. Sorry, I can't take it. For many of you, this one card flipped, and which is about the wand energy. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Possible they are covering something up, or they are unable to give this wine and dine to you. Wine is the symbol of cheerfulness and gaiety. Something is going on with this person. Maybe this falls in your chart, or maybe this is the person you're dealing. Okay, now because this is Queen, you know them. Obviously, you have a relationship with them. You had, or your connection is there with them. Someone might be saying that I have issues. So they exactly unable to make up for something. I feel here. Maybe it is just a promise of meeting. Maybe it is just something that they said connected with the wine energy of like gaiety and all, happiness. Something someone said to someone and then it's not happening in action oriented approach. I have issues and someone is overlaying. So what are you doing? Are you making yourself understand about this person? That's okay, it happens. Or maybe someone is giving you some issues and you're going to discuss it. Why? Because you're connected with this energy. Obviously you know them. There is this emotional connection. It's still, the serving is not done, so wine is still in the bottles, and though you know that this is mine, but you yet cannot celebrate it totally. So possible, or someone cannot. This is around you, the connection. This is possible, not just one energy, maybe of the same sign, 2 or 3 energies. Please ignore the sounds. You're also having this 9 of Pentacles underneath and the heart. Okay, so here you go. This is the heart matter with the person. You love them. For some cases, the love is of friendship. For some cases, love is of sibling. For some, love is of love, like partner. So the heart signifies great joy when near. I feel like this person is unable to tell you how much they love you, but they do. Okay, they do. It's just that something is happening in their life, possible at an individual level, something they are coping, something they are keeping to themselves, something that they are very, very emotional about. All in all, this sign is telling me that you are coming from a place also regarding the connection with this person, and it's on actually, it's not going anywhere. Also, it's the promise of gaiety and happiness, but yet you need to be patient about. So overlaying something, they have issues possible. Someone over here is having issues, but they love you. So yes, the person who feels connected with them, or you feel connected, it's there, it's true, it's happiness, it's not facade. Nothing is facade here, especially with Nine of Pentacles. Either one person is trying to get free from some area, whatever issues they have, may it be of the current relationship, may it be of the marriage, may it be of the divorce, may it be whatever is going on. Because the heart signifies great joy when near. I feel like this person misses you, but they, again, if I'm repeating it, I'm sorry, but I have to make this intense storyline for you, which is saying that they have issues and something is overlaying. Overlaying could be that they're not free right now, they have other things to handle, but a love is here, okay? It's also something, Nine of Pentacles is, they're just waiting for the right time to get free from certain rules or organization, and then they're going to get back with you, basically. Yeah, but I also feel for some cases, love is here. They want to stay in contact, but they cannot stay together. Makes sense? So love is there, they want to stay in contact, they want to talk love, but they cannot right now stay with you. So basically, happiness is here, but when it is not manifesting on a practical note, it is just a happiness in thoughts, emotions, okay? We'll see what's in your now though. Gemini and Libra. Deal with the issues, remove the covers and everything, change everything, and then you are going to know that the bottles are still there, okay? I do feel that it's connected with some kind of number 4 energies, okay? 4 years, 4 months possible, or coming 4 months or 4 weeks, or fourth date. Something is around 4, I don't know what, but it's connected with your life. It's also, everyone is ready, but the one last is not ready to drink the wine with you. So someone is not happy that you're getting something. It does come in a convincing mode as well, okay? There is someone out there. Okay, so you're getting King of Pentacles energy. Expect this some kind of letter. Now the letter is a sign of good tidings when near, and when touching indicates unexpected good fortune. So this may connect with some kind of where you're coming from and you're making way towards something else. Now this can say 2 to 3 things. One, that the person is sending you the letter saying that I have issues and we need to overlay something and we have to go through something, and they're telling you everything in a letter. This may be choice between Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Third, this is something someone is sending you, like an organization or something. So maybe they are trying to convey everything in a letter, that all things will be cleared out, and I'm going to be completing something here, and then we are going to head towards. So the letter is basically the conversation between you both. It is, for some cases, long-term, long distance as well, but letter is a good sign. So if it is some kind of proposal in work or proposal in love relationships, this is going to be going good. Something that you might have thought it's getting delayed or postponed or something, it's not happening, actually they're going to tell you everything, and there's a detailed version of something. They're going to convey you everything, that how I am organizing all the things. This may connect with something that you're going to get. It's the letter. So letter can bring a lot of things inside. Basically, it's going to be the good tidings. So you're going to hear some good news about the person, about the connection, or about anything that you're going to get, okay? Unexpected good fortune. Maybe you are going to receive something like finance, money. Fortune could be something luxurious. I mean, this is something more of like a treasure, I feel. Okay, you can buy anything if you have money. So maybe money. If you, it's connected with property or some fortune connected, that's yours. It's going in your favor. It's maternal, paternal, something as well. Something, okay? It's from a man, or because there are two energies, how I can say that. Either this is from a man, you're going to get this. So it could be your uncle, could be your, like in India we call our uncles, like, you know, from mother's side it's mama, but out in other countries or something, some other words are there. So in definite sentence it's uncle or aunt. We call it masi, bua, those words in Hindi. So I think that this is a man, and something that you're going to get. What's in your future call or future wife? And regarding relationship also, this wine and dine is a promise, and the future is going to be the good tidings. Okay. You're also getting, what's this? This card is coming reversed though. It's the order, and this is Jack of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I feel like this is a problem. This person is a problem. Could be age differences, or this is the concern for them, who is going out of track, out of law, out of order. Or maybe the order denotes honor and recognition of labor, a sure sign of business success. Okay, so this is something is that's overlaying or issues connected with the person, or actually the scenario. For me, it's trying to say that this person is creating troubles in what is yours. So maybe it's immature energy, like we talk about the hires of the business organization, if it is connected with that. Or maybe this is connected with your relationship, or you are in relationship with someone whose child is this. I mean, child, yes. So maybe this is connected with some kind of system, order, issues connected with this person. Why they're not turning up? Do they connect with you? Yes, of course. But they have some issues with them. Issues with them in a way they are convincing. I talked about there are three possible. This is you, the person, and the person's person, if it is happening. But there is this fourth. They need to convince them. They cannot just go on a relationship, but they just cannot come and marry if you are planning on that. Why? Because if they are hurt, what is the purpose? So they're trying to organize something here. Or if this is connected with some business, it's the order that's going a little bit haywire here. So this might be the issue. This someone is disappointed. I mean, they might be having issues that I should get recognition, I should get labor recognition for the labor and everything, whatever they are trying to do. So we're going to take the Rider-Waite here. I shuffled this deck prior, and you're getting the Eight of Swords energy at the bottom. The issues that you need to handle right now, some things that you are thinking is not actually there. So whatever you're thinking, it's overthinking part, which is exceeding to the limit, but exactly it's going to calm down when you will hear this letter. For some cases, justice was sweeping on the other side while I was cutting. This is overthinking and concern. Obviously, it's natural for someone's child here. If it's yours, oh, okay, fine. So if it is about the storyline wherein you guys might be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and you're hearing some good news from a Taurus or Capricorn in that case, it is also about some kind of news from the justice. It may connect with Jack of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius again. This may be custody issue if it is happening in your life. If it is, okay? Because this is about the order. Yeah. Nine of Cups energy. It's something that whatever you are working on, you're going to hear our good news here. So whatever it is, it's spiritual awakening. It's you desire them to be in your life, and you're going to get this reason. It's getting delayed, but en route, okay? I also hear someone who doesn't want to stay with you or with the other person, and that's what the issue is. so you're going to overlay something, so that covering up, or just to remove the overlays and then getting to the core. This could also be with the person who is in age difference, I feel. If it is relationship with them, then I don't know who is younger, who is elder kind of energy, wherein there's a vice versa. Obviously it's so obvious, you'll understand that what I want to say. So could be this person is in your future where you want to buck up with them, possible, because 9 of Cups is coming. Possible for some cases this is desire to connect with your child, if this is the case, or whatever is yours, because you're coming out of the Hierophant, or this may be something that you are going against the, like, not against, actually in or towards the decorum, to the order, which is not giving you what is yours, but you are going to get what is yours. With the 9 of Cups, the good news is here. I'm going to a little bit shuffle here. So whatever issues are, these issues are connected all in all and leading to this particular order system that you are fighting against, possible, because they are not understanding something, the world. So that's I feel like it's two things. First, you're coming from a place where you're completing one circle. The world, something that you are stretching to get going and to get what is yours. So that's what I hear, 2 messages in a row, okay, which is very important. Again, you're getting the repeat of Jack of Wands, which is Page of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This can be your energy, this can be someone's energy, because you're getting Page of Wands energy. It's also the message turning up, but Page of Wands energy is your determination, I feel, and where you are heading. The world is, I'm yet not done. So this may be some closure, but yet not the closure. So basically one ending, one opening, whatever you are heading towards. So it's basically stretching your horizon to get something that is yours. The world, you might be dealing, or these signs may revolve around you somehow. Taurus, Leo, Scorpio and Aquarius. Apart from that, you have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yes, because this is for Gemini and Libra, obviously. So we'll see. I'll cut the deck in 3, and now taking the bottom energy that we saw. So this is with the person, Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius here. Might be your partner, okay, who lied and cheated with you, or betrayed you, or is just covering up and they have issues. Howsoever it goes for you, because third last card is 6 of Cups. Someone moved. 6 of Cups, person from the past, this lifetime or whatever lifetime. So in your now it's you, and in your now you're going to act on what you will get. You are going to act on what you will get. So this is about the same moments. You're getting you. So Queen of Swords, I do feel this is your energy, though it's Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, female energy though. Possible some cases females are dealing with the male counterpart here for some specific reasons. Also because of here, either you have a partner or you're dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, if that is the case, and the person is dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. If you're dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, there's this person they are dealing with. So howsoever it revolves, there are kind of energies here, major, okay, kings and queens falling, and only one Jack. It's someone who is going beyond and is very agitated or very okay, let's put that word, something is rigid in your scenario. But Queen of Swords is staying here, and I said so, one closure and one opening, and here Queen of Swords is ready to have the same moment. That's where you get the letter or some confirmation. And in your future call or future wife, you're getting the Devil. You're going to deal with something that is rigid, something that is not right, something that is, you're going to speak and you're going to, actually it's like a say moment, so you're going to hear and actually say. So basically I feel like you're going to hear and say at the same time. And it's also something kind of Libran effect, because that's where you are holding the world but not exactly, you're not tearing that up. It's basically you're just here. So basically if I'm saying basically, I'm sorry, you're ready to say something in a done moment. The devil is a Capricorn, so you got Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, but devil is a Capricorn and the order is coming reverse, which is like you're going to be for in right, like in favor, and going against some order system or some person. Devil, something that's not right, something that's changed, something that's a thought process or fear, overcoming everything and looking beyond the order or something like that. Now, one card or two cards from the romance angels here, but some of you are pushing the other energy, so getting to the point. So if this is the issue, the devil or the person or the system, it's like, I'm not going to stay chained in something. It's overcoming fears, it's breaking the chains. It's also the system and you're getting what is yours. So devil is someone who is not acting right, not treating you right, or just not treating the situation right. Basically, it's something that you're going to get hold of. Interesting. And you got first card as forgiving and learning. So I think that this is the ultimate message here, which is about coming out of the devil energy, devilish fear, or whatever someone is not doing things right. It's also you are bringing out someone. This could be some other activity that you are into, taking someone out of some devilish situation. It's atmosphere, ambience, home, some place where children are there, some community that you work for. Howsoever it goes, forgiving and learning is coming, which may be as you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. So this is the ultimate time when someone is asking for forgiveness, and a lot of learning is happening here, and that's why things are going in your favor. Someone who is going against the thing, not thinking just from the other one side, actually thinking from all the sides. Someone who is, which is, this is a sign of, like, if I'm going here with the words, sorry, it's something connected with the reverse of system. Reverse of system, seeing the truth of that, the reality, and then fighting for that. What's beyond the devil? Okay, Ten of Swords energy. It's the time, the ultimate truth shall be coming. So closure. This is a ton of communication that might happen. This is like someone who was stabbing you or lying to you. Ten of Swords is something that even if it hurts, it's going to be out and about. So something that you are breaking the cord or something. That's why forgiving and learning is coming. You're learning something and you're forgiving it and releasing yourself. So Ten of Swords may be connected with the communication coming through. It's a breakup, it's separation as well, divorce, yes, or something that you are fighting to get back. It's like endless infinite fight for something to get back to you. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Now, for some cases, I have to say that this true love could be your child, or the concern that you have, or something that's theirs. You're going to get it. Bye.